have you, that is yourself and Constable Zungu, discussed this case, the merits of this case, as to how the deceased was killed?
But ngesikhathi leso wena owasho ngaso ukuthi wahlangana noZungu ngaso ngabe nakhuluma yini ngecala leli?
Cha. Ngazi sikhuluma lecala sasingeke sikhuluma lecala ngazi lutho ngaleli cala leli. Wayengekho umuntu angakhuluma nayo lecala ngoba akangazi lutho ngalo.
No, I never discussed anything with Zungu about this matter, and I knew nothing about this matter, and I don't know anything pertaining to this matter.
At the time when you have known Constable Zungu, you said that the first time that you met Constable Zungu was in the year 2017. You later met him some 2 years later in 2019. How was the relationship between you and Constable Zungu?
Bathi wena ke inkulumo uyishilo ukuthi okokuqala ngesikhathi wabona uZungu ngaso noma ngesikhathi wahlangana noZungu ngaso kade kuumnyaka ka2017. Wabuya futhi okwesibili wahlangana naye ngomnyaka ka2019. Manje kade kunjani ukuzwana phakathi kwakho naye uConstable Zungu?
Mangimbona 2017 bengingamazi ngiqala ukumazi 2019.
When I saw him during the year 2017, I did not know him. I only started knowing him during the year 2019.
Ayikho into engathi kwangaba nomngane noma kwangaba nengabano ngela ngisabonana ngazo.
I cannot say whether there was a friendship or a quarrel during the time I saw him for the second time.
Nangela ngimaze ngala akaze kuze kube nomngane akaze kuze kube nengabano.
And even during the time I saw him, there was never a friendship nor a quarrel between the two of us.
In the two occasions that you have met Constable,
from my own side.
In the two occasions that you have met Constable Zungu in 2017 and 2019, did you talk to him?
But phakathi kwale ikhathi ezibili owahlangana naye ngaso Constable Zungu, ngabe wakhuluma yini naye?
Cha.
No.
If you can remember, where were you on the 26th of October 2014?
Uma ngabe usakhumbula, ngabe kade ukuphi ngelanga la nge-26 October ngomnyaka ka2014?
Noma ngasakhumbula ukuthi ngangikuphi ukuthi ngizothi mhlambe ngangisendlini ekhaya noma ngangikho kodwa khona 2014 bengispende emakhaya isikhathi sonke ngikhuphuke ma chance ngizela igoli ngizoyenza lokho engikwenzayo ngibuyele ekhaya.
Even though I cannot remember the exact place as to where I was on the 26th of October during the year 2014. However, I spent most of my time during the year 2017 being at home, even though I would get a chance of coming. Can the court please bear with me, my lord? Nanomake bothola isikhathi esincane sokuthi ubuvakasha kuphi mothola isikhathi esincane?
Bengizela igoli ngizowenza something.
Okay. When I get just a portion of time or a small period of time, I would therefore come to Gauteng and to do something. Then after that, I would return back home. However, when this news came up, I was back at home.
Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4 is going to reiterate, even though we have said that we did not meet him on the 26th of October 2014, but I find it prudent that I should place his version before this court for you to comment.
Atikhona ke inkulumo ngathanda ukuthi akutshele yona esiqhamu noma esuka kumsolo wesine nanoma wena busushilo ukuthi awukaze uhlangane naye ngelanga la nge-26 October ngomnyaka ka 2014.
Yeah,
Yes.
Because the state is alleging that you acted in the furtherance of a common purpose to kill the deceased on the 26th of October 2014. The accused, that is accused number 4, is having the different view
Bathi
of the
ngoba ke
allegations leveled against him.
bathi ngoba ke ithima noma ihlangothi labashushisi liyasho khona ukuthi nona ke nakha uzungu futhi nenza ke inhloso yodwa kuthize ngene bulale umufi ngelanga la nge-26 zaka October ngomnyaka ka-2014 kepha ke khona ke inkulumo angathanda ukuthi akutshele yona ayithole noma ebusuka kumsola uSini.
Yeah.
I am listening.
But before I proceed, as I've done throughout the cross-examination to relevant witnesses in the case against my client, accused number 4, I'll repeat it to you. He says he knows you very well, as you have said.
Bathi umsola uSini ke uthi ushilo ukuthi nake uyakwazi futhi ukwazi kahle ngendlela nawe bosusho ngayo.
Yeah.
Yes.
He will tell this court when his turn comes
But
that he did not know accused number 2. He first met accused number 2 on the 27th of October 2020 at Boksburg Magistrates Court.
Bathi nake ushilo ukuthi kade engamazi ke umsola wesibili kepha isikhathi aqale ngaso ukubona umsola wesibili kulesikhathi bekasenkantolo eBoksburg ngelanga la nge-27 zaka October ngomnyaka ka-2020.
Yeah.
Yes.
As at the 26th of October 2014, he knew accused number 3 very well. Mr. Mngube was his best friend.
Bathi nakathi ngomnyaka 2014 kade yamazi umsola wesithathu futhi kade kumhlobo kumngani wakhe omkhulu.
Yeah.
Yes.
He knew accused number 5. Accused number 5 was his acquaintance.
Futhi
Accused number 5 was his acquaintance.
futhi kade yamazi umsola wesihlanu
Why Maz?
wayemazi.
Yeah.
Yes.
On the 26th of October, that is on the morning of the 26th of October 2014, he cannot remember whether it was accused number 3 who came to him where he was staying, or it was him, that is accused number 4, who went to accused number 3 where he was staying. On the 26th of October, that is on the morning of the 26th of October, he cannot remember if it was him who went to accused number 3 or it was vice versa, that it was accused 3 who went to see accused 4 where he was staying.
Ummeli ke athi manje umsola wesini usho lenkulumo elandelayo ekuthi yena ke akasenaso isikhumbulo mhlawumbe isiqiniseko sokuthi ngabe kuye yini kade evakashela umsola wesithathu ngelanga la nge-26 noma kade kumsola wesithathu evakashela yena ke umsola wesini.
Yeah.
Yes.
He says that at the time he was staying in the corner of Sinclair and Julie Street in Malvern, Johannesburg.
Athi ngesikhathi esikodwa ehlala ke kukhona lomgwaqo lase eSinhle futhi nase Judith lapha eGoli.
Yeah.
Yes.
After the meeting, that is their meeting, they then traveled in a white minibus Kombi, which belonged to Zenzele Mkhunu.
Bathi ngemuva kwalokho ke komhlangano wabo yena wahamba eshayela itekisi noma ikhumbi kade inombala ke omhlophe futhi itekisi yakho kade kuyitekisi leka Zenzele Mkhunu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Zenzele Mkhunu was the driver of this Kombi.
Bathi umnumzana uZenzele Mkhunu kade kuye kumshayeli waleli khumbi.
Yeah.
Yes.
The occupants of this Kombi was accused number 3, Mr. Mngube,
Abantu begibele ngaphakathi kwekhumbi kade kumsola wesithathu umnumzana uMncube.
Accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa.
Umsola wesine kumnumzana uMaphisa.
Mabungu Ntuli.
Pardon?
Mabungu Ntuli.
Nomagungu Ntuli.
Mabungu Ntuli.
Mabungu Ntuli.
Cela impilo ndawonde.
Nocela impilo ndawonye.
Sphiva Ntuli.
Siphipa Ntuli. Sphifa Ntuli.
Linda Dlamini
Ulinda Dlamini.
and Sky Ojian.
Unosky Ujiyane.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any comment?
Bathi khona yini into ongafisa
If you do have,
bathi unako yini ongathanda ongafisa ukuthi ukhulume noma awunako?
Akunakho ngoba ngangingenako nge-26 October 2014.
I don't have a comment simply because of I was never with them. No, I was not with them on the 26th of October during the year 2014.
then the Kumbi traveled to Katlehong at Sprite Mazibuko Hostel.
Bathi bashayela ke ikhumbi lelo belibangise eKatlehong Esprit Hostel noma ku hostel ase Esprit lapha eKatlehong.
Yeah.
Yes.
A photo was taken there on the 26th of October 2014
Bathi khona isithombe sathathwa ke ngelanga la nge-26 ka October ngomnyaka 2014.
Yeah.
Yes.
11 hours 52 minutes, and that photo is depicted on Exhibit S, which is photo
Athi-
number 9 of Exhibit S.
Isikhathi kwathatha isithombe ngaso kade ku 11:52 minutes futhi sikhona isithombe sakhona ngaphakathi kwalimi bukiso ka Exhibit S.
Yeah.
Photo
Do
number
you see, do you have Exhibit S in front of you? Photo number 9.
bathi unayo yini Exhibit S phambi kwakho?
Yeah.
Isithombe sis9.
Sorry, you're saying who are on that photo number 9?
Accused number 3 and 4.
Bathi
3 and 4.
Yes.
athi ummeli kule sithombe leso sis9 khona kumsola wesithathu nowesine.
Photo number 9. This one.
Yes, I'm there, I'm
Yes.
there, my lord.
So just to emphasize that that photo was not taken at Phosphorus Basotho Hostel, but it was taken at Katlehong Mazibuko Hostel.
Athi ke ummeli ugxiniza kule sithombe lesi ukuthi kade abakaze basithathe ePhosphorus kepha basithatha eKatlehong lapha kwindawo yase Sprite Hostel.
The photo,
Yeah.
as I've indicated to you, it was taken on the 26th of October 2014 at 11 hours 52 minutes.
Athi futhi bekashilo kuwena ukuthi isithombe lesi sathathwa ngelanga la nge-26 zaka October ngonyaka 2014. Isikhathi isithombe sathathwa ngaso kade ku hora la ka11 bese kade kuyimizuzu kade u52 ngemuva kokushaya kwehora la ka11.
Yeah.
Yes.
From there, this entourage left this hostel, Mazibuko Hostel, and traveled to visit Mncamuza Gumede at Lesedi in Phosphorus.
Yeah.
Bathi muvo ukuthi bathatha isithombe lesi laphana ke Mazibuko Hostel bahamba bavakasha bengawashela kuNcamuza Gumede Phosphorus.
Yeah.
Yes.
A photo was taken there
Bathi khona isithombe sathathwa
It is at page 47 of Exhibit S.
bathi isithombe lesi akhuluma ngaso lapha kukhasi lesi 47 lemibukiso ka S.
It was taken on the 26th of October 2014, at 1500 hours, 30 minutes, 31 seconds.
bathi isithombe lesi basithatha ke nge-26 zaka-October nge-26 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2014 isikhathi kade beqeda gamenxe ihora lesithathu ngemizuzwana nje umzuzwana owodwa nje vo.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I've been instructed by accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa, to place it on record under cross-examination that this Lesedi in forced arrest is not at or near the scene of the murder. I'm instructed by Mr. Mapisa to place it on record that this Lesedi, the place depicted at page 47 of Exhibit S, it is not at or near the scene of the murder where the deceased was killed.
Athi umeli utshele ke umnumzana uMaphisa ammelela ngaphambi kwenkantolo lokho okulandelayo bathi isithombe lesi noma le ndawo ejangakala kule sithombe lesi ayikho kule ndawo yesigameko noma ayikho seduze nale ndawo yesigameko.
Yeah.
Yes.
The photo, that is photo number 47 of Exhibit S, it depicts accused number 3 and the gentleman just a moment. Impilo Ndawonde.
Bathi kusithombe lesi saka 47 kutshengakala kuso nomhla kuvele kuso umsola wesithathu futhi umunye ke umlisa oyedwa bathi ucela impilo igama lakhe.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then thereafter, this entourage of these persons who were traveling in a combi okay, before that, he instructs me that at Lesedi, that is the place depicted at photo number 47 of Exhibit S, they spend a considerable time there, meaning that they spend much of the day there. That is the day of the 26th of October, 2014.
Athi uthi ummeli umsola wesine kumnumzana Maphisa umtshele ukuthi kule ndawo yaseLesedi bahlala khona bachitha isikhathi sona isikhathi sabe esiningi bengabekona bekuyo le ndawo yaseLesedi.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then the entourage which was traveling in the Kumbi, as I've alluded to earlier, they then traveled to George Koch Hostel in Johannesburg.
Athi bona labantu tehambe nabo bengaphakathi kweletekisi ngaphakathi kwelakhumbi bahamba bonkana bahamba belibangise eGeorge Koch ehostel laseGoli.
Yeah.
Yes.
This hostel, that is George Koch Hostel, is in Johannesburg.
Bathi lelo hostel laseGeorge Koch liseGoli.
Yeah.
Yes.
He instructs me that this hostel is not at or near the scene of the murder where the deceased was killed.
Umeli athi uthi bamtshela ukuthi lelo hostel leli laseGeorge Koch alikho le ndawo yesigameko noma alikho seduze nale ndawo yesigameko.
Yeah.
Yes.
Upon their arrival at George Koch Hostel in Johannesburg, he instructs me that they then met accused number 5 who was from work, and the photo was taken.
Uthi ummeli ngesikhathi kade lapha eGeorge kule hostel laseGeorge Gore eliseGoli kulaba hlangana khona nomsola wesithathu ngemuva kokuthi umsola wesithathu bekabuya emsebenzini.
Yeah.
Yes.
A photo was taken.
Futhi sikhona isithombe sathathwa.
It is photo number 17 of Exhibit S.
Bathi isithombe sathathwa silapha yana photo number 17 esikhona ngaphakathi kwalemibukiso ka S noma Exhibit S ke ngesingisi.
Yeah.
Yes.
That photo was taken on the 26th of October 2014 at 1700 hours, 28 minutes, 39 seconds.
1700 hours, 28 minutes and 17 seconds.
39 seconds.
Okay, thank you, Council. Isithombe lesi sathathwa ngelanga lange-26 zaka-October ngomnyaka 2014 isikhathi kade kungemuva kwehora laka-5 imizuzu kade khona lapha kade kumuzuzu owu-28 bese ke imizuzwana kade kuyimizuzwana ewu-39 so ama-seconds ke ngesingisi.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that photo depicts accused number 3 and accused number 5.
Bathi kule sithombe lesi kulatshangakala khona noma sitshengisa umsola wesithathu futhi nomsola wesihlanu.
Yeah.
Yes.
From there, the Kumbi traveled to drop him where he was staying in the corner of Sinclair and Julie Street in Malvern, Johannesburg.
Bathi ngemuva kwalokho ke Khumbi lashayela lihamba limikisa yena la kade ahlala khona kula khona Sedinhle esesinhle futhi neJudith lapha eGoli noma ngaphansi kwendawo yaseGoli.
Yeah.
Yes.
The time when he was dropped at his place of residence, it was just after 1800 hours on the 26th of October 2014.
Athi isikhathi ebafika bamshiya ngaso la kade ahlala khona kade kungemuva kwehora lesithupha la ntambama.
Yeah.
Yes.
He instructs me that on the 26th of October 2014, he did not meet you and accused number 2.
Athi ummeli uthi bamtshele lenkulumo ukuthi yena ke akakaze ahlangane nawe futhi nomsola wesibili ngelanga la nge-26 zaka October ngomnyaka ka-2014.
Yeah, angazi nami ngihlangane naye nge-26 October 2014 angazi ngihlangane noMaphisa.
Yes, I also never met up with Maphisa on the 26th of October during the year 2014.
He further instructs me that he did not act in concert and in the furtherance of the common purpose to kill the deceased in count number 1 of the indictment.
Ummeli athena utshelwe inkulumo ukuthi umsola owesine yena akakaze abe nesikhangiso asidlalile mhlawumbe akakaze abe yingxenye yabantu bekhaya itulo ekuthizeni ke babulale umufi lo okukhulunywa ngaye ke kule indictment shothi kule macala abanithusa wona.
Yeah.
Yes.
He further instructs me that he did not share in the spoils of the murder or the robbery in any way, as he was not at or near the scene on the 26th of October 2014.
Athi futhi umtshela ukuthi na awukho umkhomelo awawuthola ngokubamba inkunzi noma ke ukubulala okwenzeka ngelanga la nge-14 ngelanga la nge-26 October ngomnyaka 2014 ngoba kade angekho kwindawo yesigameko noma kade angekho eduze nendawo yesigameko.
Yeah.
Yes.
He further instructs me that he does not know who is the mastermind. He was told or heard before this court that Ms. Kelly Khumalo is the mastermind. He did not in any way had any contacts with the mastermind, Ms. Kelly Khumalo.
Uthi ke ummeli umsola wesine uthi yena futhi bekanganalo ulwazi lokuthi kade kuwubani-ke ungqondongqondo ukuhlela ukubulala umufi. Kepha yena kwaqala ukuzwa lokho ngesikhathi bekanake enkantolo, ngesikhathi ofakazi bakhuluma ukuthi ungqondongqondo noma umuntu oze nehlelo ukuthi akubulawe-ke umufi kade kuwuKelly Khumalo. Athi yena futhi umsolwa wesine akakaze akuxoxisane noKelly Khumalo noma akhulumisane naye.
Yeah.
Yes.
He further instructs me that even though he knew accused number 5 had never approached him with a plan that he had received from a mastermind for the deceased in this matter to be killed.
Uphinde wamtshela le nkulumo elandelayo esho khona lapho umsolwa unkulumo ukuthi nanoma kade emazi umsolwa wesihlanu, kepha akunalutho awalizwa noma akunankulumo eyavela kumsolwa wesihlanu umsolwa wesihlanu emcela ukuthi akamlekelele amsize ekuthizeni babulale umufi lo owashona kuleli cala leli.
Yeah.
Yes.
May the court bear with me, my lord. He further instructs me that, and I must place it on record, that the Section 205 records, which are the Section 205 records of the cell phone number 277276686169, that is the number of accused number 3. He did peruse such records.
Umele uphinde watshelwa-ke umsolwa wesine inkulumo ekuwukuthi inombolo lokuqukethiwe ngaphakathi kwenombolo mhlawumbe noma phakathi kwenkulumo ade zikhona phakathi kokuxhumana ucingweni okwela ngaphansi kwesigaba somthetho usection 205 ke ngesingisi inombolo ezilandelayo +27 7276686169 zakamsolwa wesithathu.
Yeah.
Yes.
With regards to photo 47 of Exhibit S, which is the photo which was taken on the 26th of October 2014 at 1500 hours 30 minutes 31 seconds.
Athume khuluma ngesithombe lesi silapha ku page 47 esathathwa ngelanga lange 26 October ngomnyaka 2014 esathathwa ngesikhathi sehora ngemuva kwemizuzu 30 ngemuva kwehora lesithathu bese ke imizuzwana kade ku 31.
Vis-a-vis the Section 205 records of accused number 3 on the 26th of October 2014. At 1500 hours 19 minutes 32 seconds,
bathi ngehora lesithathu imizuzu ewu19 bese imizuzwana kade ku 32 ngelanga lange 26 October ngomnyaka 2014.
Yeah.
Yes.
Accused number 3, he receives a call from the number 2772 3995787, and that call lasted about 65 seconds.
Pardon, my lord, may you please repeat the numbers again? Plus 27.
2772399587.
Bathi umswala wesithathu athola ke ucingo yena kwinombolo lezi elandelayo plus 2772399587 lawa khona kucingweni isikhathi semizuzwana ewu65 yemo 65 ama seconds. Yes.
And the tower there is 2G phosphorus SGS3.
SGS. Bathi tower dilimdupi laphana ke 2G phosphorus SGS.
Yeah.
Yes.
The number that I've referred to, ending 787, is a number of a person who is on the contact list of the contact list of accused number 3, Mfoga Kumar.
The number, pardon?
The number which I have referred to, ending 787,
Yes,
is
my
the
lord.
number which is in the contact list of accused number 3's cell phone, and it belonged to Mfoga Kumar.
Bathi le nombolo lezi kumele bekayikhulumile egcina ngo787 inombolo ke zensizwa mhlawumbe zomuntu wakwaKhumalo.
Yeah.
Yes.
On the 26th of October 2014, at 2000 hours 16 minutes 19 seconds, there is a terminating call which lasted for about 165 minutes to the number 27711175387, and the tower there is 2G Holt Street SGS.
Bathi ke ngesikhathi sehora la ka8 ebusuku bese imizuzu kade eyisithupha bese ke imizuzwana kade u19 khona ke ucingo olwenziwa lapha abantu bakhuluma ecingweni isikhathi saka 1 minute 65 seconds kule nombolo ezilandelayo plus 27711175787 bathi thawula khona kade ku 2G Gross SGC.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this number belonged to Msindo Zulu.
Bathi le nombolo yecingo ezikamsindo Zulu.
And this Msindo
Yeah.
Zulu is in the contact list of the phone, the handset which belonged to accused number 3 before court.
Bathi umsindo Zulu ke inombolo zocingo kade zikhona ke ngaphakathi kocingo la kamsola wesithathu.
Yeah.
Yes.
It then instructs me that he could not have been in Phosphorus at or near the scene in Phosphorus on the 26th of October 2014, because at this relevant time, that is on the 26th of October 2014, at 2000 hours 16 minutes 19 seconds, accused number 3 makes a call which lasted for about 165 minutes to the number 27711175387, and the tower is 2G Holt Street SGS, which is in Johannesburg, not Phosphorus.
Athi ke umsola noma ummeli inkulumo ayizwe kumsolo mhlawumbe umbiko oqhamuka kumsolo kuwukuthi yena bekangeke abe sephosphorus noma kwindawo yesigameko mhlawumbe eduze endawo yesigameko ngelanga lela nge-26 ka-Okthobha ngomnyaka ka-2014 ngesikhathi sehora laka-8 bese imizuzu kade u-16 imizuzwana kade u-19 la khona kumsolo wesithathu washaya ucingo lapho-ke eshayela yena kule nombolo yocingo egcina ngo-787 futhi akhumeka isikhathi semizuzu ewu-165 wama-minutes nethawa elamdobha-ke laphaya mhlawumbe ithawa elimkhiphile ukuthi atakuphi-ke ngokodaba zamathawa kade kuyithawa lase-Horse 2G SGC futhi ithawa lelo-ke lingaphansi kwedolobha laseGoli.
Yeah.
Yes.
He says he could not have, for that reason, he could not have been with accused number 3 at that time.
Athi-ke ngaso-ke leso sathu leso akhonakali futhi bekangeke abe naye umsolwa wesithathu.
Yeah.
Yes.
May the court bear with me on that. I'm just checking if there's anything that I've left out. May I approach accused number 4, my lord? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, my lord. I have no further questions. Thank you.
Uyabonga-ke umele mnumzana uSpeaker futhi uqedile ukubuza ke imibuzo.
Yeah.
They understood.
What's your time now?
12:36 12:36.
Okay, yeah, are you ready?
Thank you, Madam. Madam, I'll ask that I resume with my examination on Monday. I need to prepare the transcripts of the questions that I've prepared for the witness.
I read the application.
Well, our colleague has been away for 2 days. It is understandable. We're not going to enforce that.
Manje-ke bekacela-ke ummeli Mama Mshololo ukuthi aqale ukubuza imibuzo-ke ngomsombuluko ngoba kumele aqala futhi alungiseke lo sicela inkantolo la azokhipha azodobha khona imibuzo ethi akubuze yona-ke. Manje nabashushisi bathi abanayo inkinga ngoba kade angekho-ke amalanga amabili.
Yeah.
Do you have any objections?
Ngabe unayo inkinga ngalokho mnumzana?
Cha.
No, my lord, I don't have any objection.
Okay. I also don't have an objection.